and I'll open. Now here's where it gets fun. While leaning into it, you lift your left arm up very, very high, and you turn, and you're facing your equipment. Now from here, you're gonna pull back and bring it forward. Same idea, try not to spin the disc at all. Pull 2, and bring the arms forward. Pull 5, and forward. All right, so now, left arm goes up, and I start to spin around. I catch it in the middle, lean into it, 3 more hug-a-trees. 1, and open, and then open. Then from there, my right arm has to come up, so I go the other way. So I let that kind of pull me around, and then center. And from here, I pull again, 1, and bring it forward. So I'll bring my hands onto the disc, and because we're bearing weight on the hands, just be thoughtful about not letting too much weight go into your wrists. Try to push more weight into your fingertips and almost feel like you're cupping the bottoms of your hands. Now in this position, I'm gonna spin my fingertips out to the sides. So I'm externally rotating my upper arm. Then I'm gonna center that. And then I'm going to externally rotate my upper arm. So now my fingers are pointing in towards each other. And then I'll center. And I'm gonna rotate out. Now as I rotate out, try not to just sag into the shoulders. Create some strength so that your shoulder joint has some strength. Center it. And then as you turn your fingers in, you're feeling the nice broadness across the shoulders. Go to the center again, and then rotate again. Go to the middle, and rotate it in. Now, center it out, and now we're gonna make it a little spicy. So I'm gonna create a little exercise here. Back up a little bit so that you have your feet placed against your shoulder rests. I'm on 1 medium spring right now. And I'm going to create that energy through my shoulders, more weight in my fingertips than the heel of the hand. And now I'm just going to go up into a plank. Now turn the discs out, center them. Turn the discs in, center them. Put the knees down, take a moment. Again, legs out, turn the fingers away, bring them to the middle. Turn the fingers in, bring it to the middle, put the knees down. One more time. Extend the legs out, stabilizing the discs. Now turn the fingertips away, turn the fingertips straight ahead, turn the fingertips in, turn them to the middle, and put the knees down and take a rest. So sit back and just get a little stretch there. All right.